Hi guys, today's video we're going to cover our trip we had in Catalina. We had so much fun in Avalon. I'm going to share everything we did with you, and I'll leave everything in the description below if you want to check it out for yourself. You guys are going to have so much fun if you're planning on going, and please show me that YouTube love, like, comment, sub, whatever. And yeah, anyways, let's just get to it. Catalina is located about 20 miles off the coast of Los Angeles, about an hour ferry ride to get there. The two main ways are Catalina Express and the Catalina Flyer. I'll put both of them in the description below so you can check out the different ports they leave from. When you first arrive, the first building that you'll notice is the Catalina Casino building. It is not an actual casino with gambling. There's a movie theater. It's the premier event venue for Avalon. Unfortunately, it was closed, so we didn't get a tour, but I'll put a link in the description. Moving on to number 2, I highly recommend getting a golf cart. We had some buddies. We were lucky enough they took us around, but you can rent one. $50 a day, kind of steep, but it is a great way to travel around the island fast and see all the incredible views. There are not a lot of cars on the island, so it's cool just driving around with all the fellow golf cart riders. So moving on to number 3, go back behind the casino building and you'll find DESCANSO Beach Club. Yes, it is very nice, very relaxing, as its name implies. And they have all these rentals. Prices are right here. Zoom in, pause, take a look. You'll also recognize the scene from Step Brothers. This is where they shot it, the Catalina Wine Mixer. Anyways, also back here, Catalina Zipline Eco Tour. It is 5 lines through the beautiful, beautiful hills of Catalina Island. You can see the ocean from a lot of the views. They go over wildlife. They talk about all the plants and animals that are exclusive to Catalina, and I highly recommend it. As fun as that is, I think I enjoyed myself even more on the aerial adventure tour. Now, this is often overlooked. It sounds more fun to go ziplining, but I had a lot more fun here, and it was a lot cheaper than doing the zipline course, so I highly recommend it if you're trying to choose between the two. Of course, I'll put the links in the description. All right, moving on. Number 6, we got the FALCONRY. All right, I've always wanted to have a hawk come and land on me. I mean, that was an awesome experience. I've always wanted that. I finally got that. They have 3 different hawks that I saw, and plus an owl. You learn all about them. You know, peregrine falcon is the fastest animal on the planet. Did you know that? I didn't. Now I know that. Definitely, I highly recommend it. It's so cool. Maybe I'm biased, but I recommend it. Moving on, number 7, parasailing. Now, this was on our docket. We never got around to it, but it is, you know, pretty basic. You know what parasailing is all about. Check it out. We had the opportunity though to go on a submarine tour. You know, it was actually a semi-sub, but still nonetheless very cool experience. You get to see all of Lover's Cove, which is crystal clear water, very little bacteria. It is just insane, which makes it a hot spot for scuba diving. We didn't go, but everyone recommended scuba diving because the water is so crystal clear. It's insane. People come from all over the world to do it. So do one of those. Speaking of things we didn't do, there's a bison expedition. Apparently it's a lot more fun than it sounds. They take you 4-wheeling out into the mainland. You see herds of bison. Check it out. Number 11, if you want something a little more budget oriented, check out Golf Gardens. Hopefully you're a little bit better of a golfer than my wife here. But, you know, it's such a good atmosphere here. You can't not have fun doing anything on this island. So definitely go explore it. All right, number 12, you know, it's glow with the flow. So these paintings, they all glow under black light. It's so cool. I've always wanted to make artwork They'll help you make anything you want. Here's all the examples. They'll pour it, you choose the colors, they'll help you blow dry it, they'll help you even draw on it if you want. I didn't, I just wanted to sketch myself, made a little owl as a tribute to our pal that we met earlier. Highly recommend it, definitely check it out. All right, number 13, last one on the list, dinner on the beach with no seagulls. This was probably one of the things I enjoyed most about Catalina. There are no seagulls, so they don't come up to you at your tables and take your fries. It's very nice. We had the chance to sit down at Antonio's Pizzeria, and most of the food is severely overpriced, as is with all the food in California, but this bucket of fries right here, $7. Antonio's Pizzeria. Definitely check it out. Here's some more places that we went. Endemic Fish House, very tasty. Luau Larry's, recommended by locals. Scoops, the famous ice cream shop. Coney Island West, and those are just to name a few. Go and check it out. That concludes my list of things to do on Catalina Island. I hope you found this helpful. Now it's time for you to go experience it yourself, make your own list, and have a great time.